Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Audi A4 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is off. Then, gently lift each wiper arm until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Place a protective barrier, like a thick towel or a piece of cardboard, on your windshield beneath the wiper arms. This simple step safeguards your glass from accidental scratches or cracks during the replacement process. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Look closely at the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the entire wiper blade assembly downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give each new blade a gentle tug to double-check its attachment. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade, ensuring both are firmly seated. You're almost done. Carefully lower both wiper arms back down onto the windshield. Remove any protective towels or cardboard. Now, turn on your Audi A4 and activate the wipers on their lowest setting. Observe their movement across the glass. They should operate smoothly, without any chattering or streaking. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your Audi A4 wiper blades, ensuring clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.